Extensive practice question 2. A scientist is studying the cooling patterns of a particular material over time. His research requires heating a sample of the material up to 200 Celsius. Then, he records the temperature of the sample as it is cooled to the room temperature. The following table shows the data collected during the first 2 minutes of the cooling process. The diagram below shows 3 possible models for the data: a linear model, a quadratic model, and an exponential model. For question A, which amongst the graph of A, B, and C is a linear model, a quadratic model, and an exponential model? A is the quadratic model, B is the exponential model, C is the linear model. For question B, which among the model of A, B, and C best describe the temperature of the sample for the range of time, that is T is greater or equal to 0 or smaller or equal to 250? Explain why the other models do not fit very well for the range of times given. The model that best describes the temperature for the range is the exponential model. The other models do not fit because the temperature will not rise as shown in the quadratic model, and temperature will not drop below 0 Celsius as shown in the linear model.